Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Today's video is short and to the point. I have a revised recommendation to share with you. Many of you have considered trying or are already using non-woven fabric seedling grow bags. These are an inexpensive and biodegradable alternative to plastic pots or cups. They're offered in several sizes by multiple sellers on Amazon. I tried them for the first time last year, and I'm using them again this season. Supposedly, it's okay to leave them on when you transplant into a larger container or into the ground. The roots are supposed to grow right through the thinly walled bag. A year ago, I made a video where I performed a simple experiment to test whether or not this was true. I planted a bagged Carolina Reaper plant in a clear container so I could see if the roots filled the pot. They did, and I figured that settled the matter. So, when outdoor planting began, I transplanted some plants with seedling bags intact while I removed others. They're not hard to remove, you can just tear them off. Over the course of the growing season, I didn't notice any obvious differences in growth between bagged and unbagged plants. But when I was emptying pots at the end of the season, I did notice that on some plants, the roots didn't grow through the bag evenly in all directions. This made me wonder if the bags were restricting the natural path of the roots, and therefore not letting the plant reach its full growth potential. It's early spring here in Minneapolis, and we're venturing out into the garden to prepare for a new growing season. In the haste of shutting down the garden last fall, we chopped off the tops of a lot of plants and left the base of the plant in the ground. Each April, I always secretly hope to find some shoots emerging from the dead stalks, but it never happens. Here in Minnesota, multiple nights with lows around -20 degrees Fahrenheit will thoroughly destroy any signs of life in all species of genus Capsicum. Today, I'm here to tell you that I am now recommending that you always remove seedling grow bags before transplanting. I repeat, remove the bag before you transplant. It's just like everything else in life. When you get more data, your conclusions can change. Here's the plant that sealed the deal for me. Look at this. This is not the way it's supposed to work. Only a few roots grew through the bag. The rest decided to grow up and over the top. I'm not sure why this happened. Maybe the soil was packed too tightly around the bag? In any event, I don't want to make the roots work that hard. This may be a rare occurrence, as it's the only one like this I've found so far. Here are a couple of others where the roots grew through the bag as intended, but maybe not as completely and uniformly as I would have liked. But anyway, why would you want to take the chance? I tried to come up with a witty saying to go along with this advice, with little success. For example, remove the bag or your roots may gag. The others were even worse. In any event, ignore everything I've said in the past. Remove the bag. Make sure the soil around the root bowl is not compacted. Brush and floss after every meal, and look both ways before you cross the street.
What you gonna do? I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Mean it, boo. I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Watch me now. What you gonna do? I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Really? I'ma rip off the bag. Watch me now. Watch me, 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 watch me. I like cheap, I like easy seedling grow bags. Seem quite feasible. Non-woven fabric seems degradable, but based on my experience, I think that is debatable. Sellers all say you can leave them on when you plant outside into pots or the ground. Why would you remove them if roots grow right through them? Except when they don't, or they won't, or they can't. Re-rooted roots ain't good for the plant. This year bags will be removed. I'm only planting in the nude.
Just to clarify, the plants will be nude. I will remain fully clothed at all times.
Watch me now. What you gonna do? I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Mean it, boo. I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Watch me now. What you gonna do? I'ma rip off the bag, rip off the bag, rip off the bag. Really? I'ma rip off the bag. Watch me now.
If you enjoy our content, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Check out all our 7 Pot Club logo and hot pepper related apparel and other merch at 7pot.club/merch. If you'd like a free 7 Pot Club membership card and stickers, get the details at 7pot.club/card. And for even more 7 Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.